Spicy, flavorful, and irresistible. This is peppered Ponmo, also known as cow skin. Done like it should be. Stay tuned and see how it's done. Welcome to Meals by Mercy. Taste that hits. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our delicious meals. Today we're making peppered Ponmo that will make you lick your fingers. First step, wash your cow skin properly. I like to scrape the inside and outside with a knife to remove any dirt and to make it extra clean. Since cow skin is roasted and it's always dark, it's important to use a knife to carefully scrape it clean, or you can also use iron sponge to wash it clean. This ensures every piece is ready for cooking. Once it's clean, I moved it into a pot. Add a little seasoning cube. Add a pinch of salt. Adding seasoning cube and salt is optional. Add enough water, cover and let it boil until that chewy texture. Now for the real flavor. In another pot, I heat up some vegetable oil. When the oil was hot, I added my chopped onions and my roughly blended fresh habanero pepper, a pinch of salt and a little seasoning. When making yours, you can add curry powder, thyme, rosemary, just add anything you love. Then I stir everything together until the kitchen smells like heaven. Cover and allow this to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. After about 3 to 5 minutes, my pepper sauce is properly cooked and ready for the next step. Time to bring in our soft, chewy texture momo. I poured it into the hot peppered sauce. I stir it properly. Please stir well so every piece gets coated with the hot pepper sauce. Look at that momo mixing into the sauce. Every piece is getting coated with the pepper. Stir slowly, let the flavor marry and watch the sauce thicken and cleave to the momo. At the end, you will have a dish that looks as good as it tastes. Rich, glossy and absolutely irresistible. I covered this for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, open it and see beauty. Colorful, spicy, chewy, pepper momo, ready to serve. Simple, fast and absolutely delicious. This is Meals by Mercy. Taste that hits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with someone. Bye.